There's this bar slash bookstore
Hmm.
in town, and they have like an Airbnb right above.
Oh yeah,
And Ashley and I want to stay there, even though it's literally in town.
it's like a
And
staycation.
I do not imagine that will feel any different than traveling somewhere else. It will probably be just as refreshing to be like, hey, I'm not in my house.
Well, I was actually having dinner with one of Anna's family members and a friend of hers last night, and they were saying because they live in Minneapolis, they were saying there's like a tour you can do where it's like a staycation tour basically, where you basically like treat your town like you're a tourist for a weekend, and they said we did stuff that we have never done living here.
Yeah.
Just because when you live in a town, you kind of push it off. You think, oh, I could do that whenever. You know, if you live in Chicago, I can go to the top of the Willis Tower whenever I want, or I can go to the mountains whenever I want. That was a big thing for Denver.
Oh,
You
yeah,
go to
but
the
obviously we don't go to them every day, it turns out.
we can go hiking whenever we want. And I had that condo up in the mountains that I was sharing with people, so I could have gone skiing literally whenever I wanted. And I didn't go nearly as much as I thought I would. And I think that's why. Because when you can go literally whenever you want, you tend to push it off and think, well, I got to do this, this, and this. So, that's waiting for me.
Well, it's kind of funny. We let the monotony push off all the novelty, even though it is the novelty that
Yeah.
will make us happy.
Maybe that's one of the
We feel
big
so
insights here.
guilty
Yeah,
about our daily things.
that's right. So the things we feel are urgent, even though they're not that important, we let them push off the things that we're going to look back and
Yeah,
feel
those
were
were
important.
Those are actually urgent.
Yeah.
Enjoying the place you live and at the places that you can see, that's urgent.
So I feel like if you want to actually do those things, you got to commit to them somehow. Whether it's literally planning a vacation or signing up for an art show or like a photo contest like you were doing,
Yeah.
or a craft fair. I guess that's the word I'm searching for right there for Ashley, or a con like Anna's doing. Have something on the calendar, or have somebody that's going to be doing it with you who expects you to be there, because otherwise it's very easy to push off.